In some instances, we'll get a call, and we know it's maintenance related. An example could be an overflowing drain pan. And we know that the job was just serviced 2 weeks ago. And we say to ourselves, something's not right. We actually go pull the file, find out who serviced that equipment, and questions are asked. And that's an opportunity. And no one is fired, no one is scolded, but it provides a coaching opportunity from our operations manager, our supervisor. And it could be a number of things. Didn't have the right equipment, didn't have the time, was distracted, or just missed it. So we're really good, but we're not perfect. But we've got the systems in place so that if something's not right, we have all the documentation that shows who last worked on the equipment. So there's a high degree of accountability. One thing that we know and we have confidence in, that whatever we tell the customer, we're going to deliver that. It's great work for a company knowing that what you promise will be delivered. No ifs, ands, and buts.